Alright, so here we are back at the trusses again. I got my helper today.
Hello.
And what we're doing is getting them all moved to the upper deck. Because that's where we'll be standing them up from the platform up to the wall, on top of the wall. The plan right now is not to use a crane. Well, hope that's a good plan. We don't know. See, I'm going to set you down because right now what we're doing is using the backhoe and picking the trusses up and then getting them carried up top there. So I'll let you watch.
And then we wrapped it twice, right?
Get it up through here first. Get it up around that wall.
Oh, up here? And wrap it twice?
These ones are, we're picking up 2 of them. They're 115 pounds each.
Cathedral, right?
Okay?
Pick them up?
Up as high as they go.
You're on it.
You got to push down on that end. There you go.
Okay, I got it.
Wait, don't go too far. You're going too far.
I'm supposed to keep square with the damn bucket.
Stop right there. Two more cathedral trusses to get up there. Or scissors trusses that go by the same name. The building's 24 foot wide. The trusses are 26. And it's a 10-12 pitch. We almost know what we look like we know what we're doing.
Yeah, we didn't want to show you what we did before this. We finally figured out how to do it. Lovely. Oh, baby. Lots of fun today.
And then once we have the truss up here, then we need to slide it up onto the pile. Get it to there, then we got to pick it up onto them boards.
Okay. We're right at the end of the board.
Okay.
I am anyways.
You got to get on the end and then pick. You want to do your end first? Okay.
Yep.
There we go.
What, gotta go back further?
Nope, gotta get up on here now.
Are you close enough?
I think we can do, you get in there and I get over here. Just get enough to get the center on the top here.
Okay,
Good. Yep.
All
Alright. Ready?
Yep. Wait a minute, I'm gonna catch up with you going to the wrong angle.
Yep, just keep backing up as you go down the...
Yeah. I'm gonna line up the point. Okay, perfect. Good job. It's gonna get worse
Yeah.
as we get higher, you know that, don't you?
Yep. This woman's a hell of a worker, I gotta tell you.
Yeah, keep buttering me up.
Work circles around
Keep
me.
buttering me up, because yesterday I almost left it all to you. I wished he'd recorded that. About 50 different ways we tried to do this, and then
Figuring out how to hook them up.
we
pick 'em up.
almost wrecked the bottom plate here, the 48-foot wall, because I didn't realize the forks were pushed it, and it went flat for a minute. And Jimmy's worked real hard setting everything up and nailing that plate together on his hands and knees.
The
so.
reason we're setting the trusses here, once this other 48-foot wall is stood up, there's enough room on each end to build the walls for the ends without hitting the truss and stand those up. And then once the full walls are up, hopefully we've got this pile sorted correctly so that the first truss will be the gable end truss on that far end. And then work down through the pile, coming this way, down through the trusses. Okay, so the tractor's at rest, and as we look around, no more trusses on the ground. Oh yeah, there they are. Way up there, the whole pile of them. I'm going to take a walk up, and they're all under cover, but I'll show you the size of the pile. As you can see, it's quite a pile of trusses. And the next wall, I'm going to be working on that today. That'll be in a later video. Hopefully, this is Wednesday. Hopefully we can get to stand this up maybe by Saturday. We'll see. Okay, so it's a beautiful day today. And it's the 21st, first day of summer. So the build continues. Thanks for watching. Linda's not here today. She had to go back to the house. Thanks for watching, and I hope you stick with us as we continue this build. Both of us being north of 70. It's a little slower than what some people might go, but hey, we're steady. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. Love you all. Bye-bye.